When you get a credit card, you also get something called a credit limit. It sounds simple, but it's actually one of the most important parts of using credit. Today, we're gonna break it down. What a credit limit is, how it works, and how it affects your money and your credit score. What is a credit limit? A credit limit is the total you're allowed to spend on a credit card. It's like the top number the credit card company trusts you with. If your card has a limit of $1,000, that means you can spend up to $1,000 on that card, not more. If you try to spend past that, the purchase might not go through, or you could get charged a fee. Credit cards are different for everyone. Some people get low limits when they first start out, maybe $200 or $500. Others might get higher limits later on. The card company decides your limit by looking at your income, how much debt you have, and your credit history. If you're new to credit, your limit will probably start small. That's okay. Why a credit card limit is important. A credit card limit isn't just a spending cap, it's also connected to your credit score. One part of your credit score is called credit utilization. This is how much of your credit limit you're using at any time. The lower the usage, the better it looks. Let's say your limit is $1,000. If you spend $800, your usage is 80%. That's considered high. But if you only spend $200, your usage is 20%, which looks much better to lenders. Most experts say to stay under 30% of your limit. So, with a $1,000 limit, try to keep your balance under $300. It shows you're using credit responsibly without relying on it too much. A low credit usage helps your score go up. A high usage, even if you pay it off, can still hurt your credit score a little. How to handle your credit limit wisely. Here are some ways to make sure your credit limit works for you, not against you. Know your limit. You can set it in your credit card app or on your billing statement. Don't guess, check. Keep your balance low. You don't have to max out your card. Even if you can, it doesn't mean you should. Use your card for small things. Gas, groceries, or streaming services are good options. This helps to keep your usage low. Pay your balance in full. If you can't pay it all, at least try to pay more than the minimum. Interest builds up fast. Ask for a limit increase, only when ready. After using your card for a while and making on-time payments, you might be able to ask for a higher limit. This can lower your usage rate, but only if your spending stays the same. Avoid opening too many cards at once. Each new card adds to your total limit, which can help usage, but too many new accounts can lower your credit score at first. Be careful with co-signing. If someone else uses your card or account, you're still responsible. That can affect your credit limit and your score. A credit limit is more than just a number on your credit card. It helps build your credit score, shows how you handle money, and gives you a chance to build trust with lenders. The key is to know your limit. Use only what you need and pay it back on time. It doesn't take a lot of money to use a credit card the right way. It just takes a little bit of awareness. For more easy tips, visit EternalEmpowerment.com and subscribe for more videos like this.